They threatened to slap me with $500, you know, for if they call the police. So don't get in trouble for doing this. What's up, party people? It's your girl, Coach T, Taryn, like Karen, but with a T, spelled just a little differently for those of you who don't know me. When it comes to making money, you got to get creative as heck. All right, you know my favorite person, the best salesperson on planet Earth, Grant Cardone, is always talking about who's got my money, who's got my money, who's got my money. And that's the question that you need to get up and you need to ask yourself every day. I see a lot of people out here promoting Dosh and promoting their online services and things like that on Facebook and online. And don't get me wrong, there's 2 billion people on Facebook, so I use it myself too, okay? Let's not get it twisted. But we got to get creative as far as our marketing strategies, because let's think about it. Dosh. How many times have you tried to pitch Dosh online on Facebook and somebody's like, oh, I got it already? All right. And that's happening to me a lot. So I'm going to switch some things up. You know, the definition of insanity is just doing the same things over and over and expecting different results and not getting those different results. So I'm going to show you another tactic, another way. I'm going to try. I've never tried this way before, but hey, we got to try things to see if it's going to work, right? So I'm going to try some offline marketing today. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. Hi, Rockman. Hi. How you doing? How you doing, bud? All right, so we have arrived at our location. Let's go in and let's get our materials. I'm looking for the materials. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now, let's see. Where are they? Boom, bada bing, bada bing. Bam. Maybe you know what I'm getting ready to do. Stay tuned. I'm getting ready to go figure out who's got my money. $1 pack of Post-it notes and $1.85 Sharpie Pen, okay? So $2.85. If I get one person with this strategy, all right, I've made my money back in profit. All right, so I'm just passing the gas station. I figured, hey, here'll be a good stop right here. So let's get out and let's try this. Bam, let's put that there. And we're gonna put it right. Let's see if they have the spot where you put your credit card. If we can put it there, that'd be great. Great, 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 great. All right, so if somebody uses their credit card, they're gonna have to see this. Bam. Okay, boom. So if somebody sees that, then they'll have to take it or not. But it's there. Here we go. I got another strategy that I want to try, and what I want to do is, you see, I'm at the bank. I'm at PNC Bank. I'm gonna run through the drive-through and just put one of the Post-it notes that I have. All right. So here we go. Let's see. They got an ATM. Bow, bada bing, bada bing. You just got to get creative, guys, and start thinking about where people are actually going to look for money. Where are they getting money? Like cash places. Where do they have to spend money to think about money? I mean, you can do it anywhere, but it may not be effective to post it at apartment because you may offend someone. Don't even put it on their car, because what's going to happen when people see it on their car, they'll get offended. They'll be like, what the hell is this on my car talking about make some extra cash? Where you could take that off, take that misunderstanding away and just go to places where people are already searching and looking for money. All right, so we'll just take one of these again. Need extra cash, need extra $300 text cash. All right, so we'll just go pull on up. My wife used to work at a bank, so I had to ask her if this was actually legal before I did this. She said it was. All right, put it right there. They have to see that. Station right there. I'll probably just hit it up. I mean, you don't want to go crazy and put these up. You don't want to go crazy and put these up all over the gas pumps, because then you might get the store manager, owner, or someone who gets you for soliciting. So you don't want to do that. I learned my lesson. I was soliciting my business at my apartment complex, which I pay rent, was paying rent, and not the one that I'm at now, but the one before that, which is why I'm not there. Simple stuff like this. But I was out and I went soliciting and putting my flyers and business cards up for people around my apartment. Well, my apartment complex deemed that as soliciting. They threatened to slap me with $500, you know, for if they call the police. So don't get in trouble for doing this. But it's crazy if you live somewhere, you're paying rent, you know, you're putting cash flow in people's pockets, and they won't even allow you to assist people to make them extra cash. It's crazy. All right, so we're just out cruising right now. You know, I'm just trying to find places that will work. People that'll possibly text me and give me some hits. You know, AutoZone, probably not. And gas stations, guys, you want to get somewhere where you can kind of make it discreet. Like I said, I don't want to get you in trouble for soliciting. Okay, anything here? So here we go right here. There's a Thornton's right here that's really, really big. I'm sure I can pop this note and get away with it. Look at this. Look how many. So, you know, they're not going to be looking. But if you go to like a little small mom and pop gas station, you may not have any luck. So go to big places where you can be discreet about it, because you really are helping people. Like, how many people do you know that just need an extra $100 to make it through the week? Like, no, some people don't want to be actually rich. They just want to have enough money to do better. All right. So, and put it where they have to, you know, we're going to put it right there where they have to see it. They have to enter in their card. Another one going around to the drive through. Let's see. Bow. Here is the ATM. Let's get it. Bam. Put them where they can see it. All right, here we go. Text cash to my number for a link to make an extra $200 to $300. No fees or startup costs. How simple is this? I'm literally, that was 2 places in like 2 minutes. You just got to put some creativity and hustle. Creativity and hustle. All right, here we go. The public library. We're gonna see where we're gonna post these stickies. Bow. Okay, so I just left the library, put 2 Post-it notes up. Kind of couldn't be as discreet as I wanted to be. I put them in one section of like-minded people who would be like me, and then I put it on front of a computer. Actually saw the lady at the computer take it and put it in her purse. So that might be a win. As I'm leaving, I see the drop box for the book return. I'm just trying to give you some examples of where and how to be creative to, if you choose to do this type of offline marketing, which is very, very simple. It's very easy. And I'm putting enough up to be able to at least test to see if this is going to give me some results. But I definitely saw the lady put it in her purse. So we shall see. Let me just put the bad boy right there. Wow. So somebody has to see it when they return the books. All right. So now, I'm not in the right turning lane. Shit. Now back to your regular scheduled programming. We're going to hit up this cash loan place. Again, we're looking for people who are looking for cash. This will be a great place. I was thinking about doing this earlier. However, a lot of the cash places that you have, the parking spots are right in the front. But this one, as you can see, it's in the back. So what I'm going to do is post, actually for my other business, because I have drop cards that look like $100 bills, which I'll show you here in just 1 second. All right, so we are at the check cashing place or the payday loan place, and these are my drop cards. So I have these specifically for places like these, because obviously it's kind of rainy outside, so Post-it notes aren't going to work to stick, but I have these. All right, and they look like $100 bills. I'll tell you a story. I was actually downtown, literally taking them out of my pocket one time and just dropping them at random places. And this lady came and she kept yelling, "Sir, sir, sir!" You know, so many people think I'm a boy. "Sir, sir, sir! You're dropping your money! You're dropping your money!" And I could hear it, and I just kept walking. Didn't act like I didn't hear. And then she finally caught up to me, and she said, "Oh, I can hear her in the background. Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me run!" And I hear these heels coming to get me. "Sir, sir, sir, your money!" And I just keep walking. She finally catches up to me and says, "Sir, you dropped your money." And then she gives it back. And I'm like, "Oh, okay, thanks." So when people do that, I just take it back. But here it is. We need sales agents. This is for my other online business. Earn $300 to $800 a week, paid every Friday, no experience needed. Don't judge me. Yes, I spelled training absolutely wrong. But anyways, you don't have to be the best speller. You don't have to be an A student to do what I do. All you need to do is be creative and have hustle and determination. All right. Literally, it's that simple. When somebody walks up, they're going to see and think that's a $100 bill versus my Post-it notes. If I was to drop my Post-it note, all right, nobody would even probably look at that. So you have to really think about where and what you're going to post. There, I'm going to go out. All right, there it is. So when somebody is coming out of the building, they'll see it. Bam. Okay. All right, so that's 2. As they're coming out the door, they have to turn that corner. So they'll have to see it if they're looking down. If they don't, somebody will see it. and then right by in the actual parking lot. All right. So if you kind of get the gist of this, I advise you to take action. If you learn something new, speed of implementation is key. So go out, go hustle, do something different. Ooh, that Beamer is nice. We have a winner. We have a winner. And another one. And another one. That's 2 in 3 minutes. You see that? So as you see, this way of marketing is not dead. There was 2 people who messaged me, and I sent out 15. I placed 15 sticky notes around within like a 10-mile radius of where I live. So 15 got me 2, and that was just this morning. So I'm gonna try to put out 30 today, but at a ratio of putting 15 out and getting 2 responses. That's pretty cool. So if I put another 15 and get 2 more responses, then that's 4 people times 15. You do the math, but that would definitely help. But I didn't have to talk to anybody. So as you see, this works, and then I send them the information. Everybody has to take their trash out, right? Hey, pass this to someone who needs an extra $200 by Friday. Text cash. So we're gonna put that right up here, boy. And bow. So they gotta open it. They gotta see it when they open and take their trash out. Like I said, everybody takes their trash out. Hit the other side too. Cover all our bases here. Because this apartment doesn't really care about solicitation. They're a little more relaxed, all right? So there you have it. Come on, Rocky. Come on, boy. Isn't he cute? Isn't my coworker cute in his little D-Dog hoodie? Ain't that just cute? He's so fly. Hey, bub. Hi, stink butt. Hi, stinkers. He's like the best dog ever. All right, well, that was my morning, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and craft this so that you can have some more strategies on how to market your business online as well as offline. Now, if you can see, my coworker is slumped. I guess I wore him out today. But anyways, I want you to see, you do not have to just have one source of income or one 9 to 5. You do not have to rely on a 9 to 5 to bring you income. You can have a 9 to 5, but you don't have to solely rely on it. You can have other things like an app, other things like affiliate marketing, or just you can be creative in anything that you do. You can sell it. You're good at frying chicken, sell it. You're good at drawing, make some sketches for people. It's so many more ways other than having a 9 to 5 that you can make money. And my goal is to provide those ways to people, to get them thinking creatively. All right. Even if you've never done anything like this before, we all got to start somewhere. MJ did not go out cashing threes all day long. He had to work at it. All right. And so do you. So go out, go get your materials, go hustle. I don't want to hear any more excuses as to why you can't get this done. You get 4 people with this strategy, you've made $60 for the day. An extra $60 if you have a 9 to 5, or an extra $60 if you already have other sources of income. So why not? Hey, Coach T out.